Yo, what's good, boys? Alright, so today we took a trade on obviously GBP USD, which is going pretty bad if I can't be honest. We're right now $12 in my losses, so this isn't too good, but it's looking like a very nice retrace. USD has been very strong for the whole entire day, so you might be wondering, what am I doing? And what I'm doing is I'm catching the big picture, the external macro, or whatever you call it. And if we take a look on the 4-hour, we are very bearish, right? But if we take a look here on the Fibonacci, I did just base it off of this. But Fibonacci, we hit the golden pocket. We are filling in gaps. We hit equilibrium. I am looking for a reaction here. On the daily, we made our daily retrace, I think. Since we're in such a strong market, I think this might be our fill in the gap, and we might just rally up, right? And that's kind of what I'm going for. I think I might be cooked. It might have not been the right decision. On the hourly, you guys are gonna think I'm crazy. We never got confirmation on a break of structure or anything, so it's looking a little feisty, a little bad. It isn't the worst. I reckon we can still rally up. But this day was very I was very flippy. I was very flipping my biases, because on one hand, we're like filling in all these gaps where it's looking like a reversal right now. Long wick, filling in the gap, sweep. It's looking very like we're gonna reverse, and that's what I'm kind of thinking we're gonna do. And we're gonna draw to this gap and stuff. I never ever placed my take profits. Jeez, that's not good. First take profit would probably be up here somewhere in this gap. I don't know. Maybe a little bit higher. But yeah, so I'm really thinking we're gonna get a reaction to these high time frame gaps and react and go up, as we've been pretty bearish, and I think we've made our retrace, right? But on the other hand, USD is very strong and we're still in a downtrend, right? And yeah, I was looking for shorts, but I was also looking for buys, but more buys, because on the higher time frames we're looking for more. It's looking more bullish, but also because we're creating a retracement on the hourly time frame, on all time frames. We're creating a retrace. So yeah, not on all time frames. My bad. I'm chatting. But we've created a retrace, and I'm catching it right now. I'm trying to catch it, and if it's not a retrace, then hopefully a reversal. So yeah, that's what I'm looking for. Yeah, I'll show you guys my market milk thingy. I'm gonna show you guys this probably like a lot. Again, I don't base my trades off these. I do it more off of like overall how this currency is doing. You guys, yeah. Anyways, this is looking really good. As we can see, USD is plummeting. And in the last 24 hours, look, it's going down like crazy. GBP is going up a little bit more, but it's a lot more stable than USD, as we can see. And that's why I like going for a lot more buys, if that kind of makes sense. Not really, that makes no sense, but yeah, GBP is just a lot more stable. But in the past 30 minutes, we've been very bullish on USD. Like, look at this. Just been bullish, I think, nearly all day on USD, and GBP has been pretty bearish today. That's going to change, I now think, and we're starting to kind of move out of bearish. But also here, this is the trend momentum. USD is still stronger, which is okay. It's more high time frame, but this is kind of the overview I get. And definitely here, this is probably the most useful thing. I can see the replay of the trend strength matrix, which I'm guessing is the trend direction, yeah. And yeah, so this is pretty good. I'm liking it, how we're going a lot more bearish on USD. On the 5 minute, it's kind of the same thing. We are going mad down. USD is plummeting while GBP is starting to go up. So pretty nice. That's really it for this, and we'll go back to the charts. Yeah, we're still in my losses though, so I might literally lose the trade while I'm recording, which would be very unfortunate. But hey, it's looking like a nice retrace, and we're gonna get our next reaction. Yesterday's trade, we lost pretty bad. Very annoyed. It's okay though. We hit break even, and we ended up going in my direction, as you guys can see. We went really far in my direction, so pretty good. And that's kind of really it for my kind of thought process in this trade. I was really flipping my biases every single time, going for buys and thinking sells. And I kind of made a little bit of a mistake going for kind of made a mistake entering this late. I would have probably wanted to enter here, but I was just so like thinking we might just go down, or you know, but we disrespected this gap, which was a little bit more confirmation. Yeah, so that's gonna be it for today's trade. Hopefully I win. I'm in my losses right now, but that's okay. I'll see you guys literally. I might just show you guys the results. So I low-key might show you guys the results. I might just show you guys what happens in the future. If not, I'll see you guys later in the next video, where I will definitely show you what happened in the trade. Laters.